Hi, welcome to FMTC's video series on merchant services for affiliate program managers. This is part 2, how to use FMTC's freemium account. This video is for program managers who understand the basics of FMTC and have applied for or already have a freemium account. I'm going to show you how to find your FMTC ID, update your program directory listing, view your links and deals in our database, set up the browser extension, and submit a help ticket. Now, before we jump in, a quick reminder, add FMTC to your program in the network. And if you haven't already, apply for a freemium account by going to our homepage, fmtc.co, and click on the Get Started button up at the top. So to log in, you can click right here on the homepage. This will take you to the login portal. Just enter your credentials and you'll get this Welcome to FMTC page. A couple of housekeeping things. So click on your account tab here to get to the settings page, and you'll be able to add and update your account information here, as well as reset your password, which we recommend that you do when you first set up your account. Next, click on Manage Programs and then Manage Programs again. This is the page that will show you all of the programs that are attached to your account. For the demo, I just have B&H. If you had multiple programs, all of them would show up here. Under the Details column, click on the drop-down arrow, and this will show you all of the contact and program information that you will want to be sure to fill out, because this is what is shown to publishers. So if you click on this drop-down, this will automatically fill in the information that you filled out in the account settings. I recommend that you show this information to all publishers, not just those that have selected the program. Fill out the rest of the contact information. If your program supports deep linking, add a public commission rate and click Save. All of the information on the default tab will be copied over to every network for this program, but if we're different for each network, just uncheck that box and fill this out separately. Make sure that you click through all of the restrictions tabs and fill out and answer all of these questions. And lastly, the Push Deals tab is actually a feature only available to our premium subscribers. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that tool later. Last housekeeping tip is to set up the browser extension. So you'll click on this here. That will link out to download this for Google Chrome. Once you've downloaded the extension, you'll just copy and paste your API key into the extension. And I recommend that you come over to this little puzzle piece icon in your browser and pin the extension. So what it looks like before I've pinned it, is the empty thumbtack. If you click on pin, it will then show the icon up here in the extension at all times. And a quick demo here. So let's go to Samsonite. And I click on the extension. So take a look at this for the program that you manage. It's going to show the network that the program is on, shows the FMTC ID and the network ID for that program, as well as several other details about the program. A snapshot of 5 deals that you can see for the program, restrictions, and you can also see who manages the program. You can also click out to see the FMTC directory page. So this is the dedicated page for Samsonite. And you can see that they have filled out their program information. So this manager email is showing up, which is really important for a publisher, supports deep linking, and they've put a custom program description in the box. This is a really great example of what to do. They've listed, the network, the ID, who manages it, a couple of other things about the program, and they've also listed the direct URL to apply to Samsonite's program. So I do recommend using this as kind of a template as you fill out your program description in FMTC. Back to the browser extension, the most important thing that you can do with this thing is that you can find your FMTC ID very quickly. So any URL that you paste in, you can see the network and you can find the FMTC and your network ID for each one. So back to FMTC's dashboard, let's take a look at how the deals look in our database. So I'm under Links and Tools. I'm going to click on Browse Deals. Now, browse deals will only show you the deals for your managed programs. So here the option is going to be B&H because that's the only program attached to my account. You'd have multiple options if you have multiple programs. Otherwise, if you just leave this blank, the deal search results will be all of the deals for all of the programs that you manage. There are some advanced search options, so you can click on that to show that and help you drill down if you need to. The deal search results will show you all of the things in this data table. You can sort by any of these columns. If you click on the drop down for each deal, it will show you a little bit more information, including the coupon ID, which is an FMTC ID, the network link ID, and FMTC's merchant ID for this particular program or merchant, which is B&H. If you see an issue, you can actually submit a help ticket directly from this deal. And this view merchant details will show you the profile page for your program. So anything that we pull from the network and the things that you have filled out directly in the portal will show up under merchant information. This will show the networks that the program is using to host their program. You can see the FMTC ID again there, whether or not the product feed is available in FMTC, and a couple of other tools, including the link builder. Had we selected that this program does support deep linking, a publisher could come here and create a deep link directly from FMTC's portal. I'm going to go back to the directory here, and this is going to allow me to search for all of the programs integrated with FMTC. So right now there are about 18,000 or so. If I want to search by network, I can do that, OPM or agency, or I can just search by name. So if I just wanted to search for B&H, this is how that would look if I'm just trying to find it in the directory. So I can see the name of the program, and I can see all of the deals that are being pulled in for that particular program. So now you know how to use FMTC's freemium account. Here are a couple of frequently asked questions. Why don't I see my deal in FMTC? Make sure you've added it to the network. Make sure your deal is listed as a public deal. We don't see exclusive or private deals. Make sure your deal is in English. Make sure your deal is live and the details you've added to the network, like the landing page or the coupon code, are accurate. If you've checked all those things, also check your inbox. So if we've checked something and we can't verify a coupon code or a landing page, we will email you and let you know and try and troubleshoot what's going on. If you never respond, there's not a whole lot we can do. So make sure you save our email as a trusted email address. Otherwise, if you've done all of these things, email us directly or submit a ticket and we'll get it fixed right away. What should I do if my deal isn't on my publisher site? So typical day in the life of a program manager, your deal goes live, you check your top 20 publishers and make sure that deal is live and ready to go and accurate on the site, and you find a publisher that isn't showing that deal. First, contact that publisher directly. That is the first, really the only and best way to go. Just because it's in FMTC's data feed does not mean that it's going to show up on a publisher site. We do not control what publishers do, what they promote, what they choose to include on their site, and what they don't. Only thing that we can control is what's in our database. So if you find that there's something missing, go directly to the publisher and troubleshoot from there. Question 3, what if I need to make a change to a deal? So I need to extend the date, I need to change the coupon code, update the landing page, whatever that may be. First, make the changes in the network. Then give us about 24 hours. Review the browse deals in your FMTC dashboard. And if you don't see the changes there, submit a help ticket and we'll get that fixed up right away. What if my program's network is not in your list? So let's go back to FMTC's page here. I'm going to show this in part 1, but on our homepage, this shows all of the networks. If you don't see your network listed here, that's okay. We can still integrate your program into our database. So we'd have to integrate it manually, and then you would use a premium tool called Push Deals to get your deals into our feed. How do I add an exclusive deal or a deal just for FMTC's publishers? You can push a deal directly into FMTC's feed. Okay, so next steps are to add FMTC to your program if you haven't already. These are the network IDs. Apply for a freemium account, update all your program details and your contact information under Manage Programs. Bookmark the Browse Deals tab so you can come back and check your links anytime. And make sure you set up and use that browser extension. It's a free tool and very valuable to help you find your FMTC ID and take a quick look at the top 5 deals that we have for your programs. That's it. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for links, and I'll see you in the next video about premium tools. I'm going to talk about premium services like expedited processing, features and placements, link surfacing tools, and the agency listing. See you there.